Oh, this isn't the best lighting, but it'll do. Hey guys! Wow, that felt so unnatural. Hey guys, my name is Kayla Green, and this is my channel. It's been a whole 2 minutes since I made a video. Actually, it's been longer than 2 minutes. I think we're at like a solid 3 minutes now. All I know is it's been long enough that I forget where I'm supposed to be looking. So this is my new space. Isn't it very YouTube-y? Oh my god, I actually look like a real YouTuber now. By the way, how are you guys liking my outfit? Like, it's so cute, right? Let me stand up. So these pants are like everything. I will put the links for all of this down in the comment section below. Well, not the comment section. I will put the links for everything in the description box below. And now let's actually get into what this video is supposed to be about. This is my highly, highly requested on Instagram head wrap video. I don't know what it's gonna be titled yet, so I'm just gonna call it that. Like, how do you wrap your hair when you got a fro? Curls out, curls out. So I will show you guys step by step, and I will give you 2 versions. First being how I did this, which I call my lazy wrap. And then the more neater version that I did for my Dolores cosplay that y'all been blowing up. Also, very quick shout out. Thank you so much for 100K followers. Like, what? I had put the goal of 100K on my list of like stepping stones I wanted to get to. And I had no idea y'all were gonna get me there within a few months. Y'all. Anyway, thank you so much, and let me get into the video before y'all go find someone else to teach you how to do a head wrap. So things you will need: spritz bottle, any kind of lotion, cream, leave-in, conditioner, whatever. Hair pick, optional. Ponytail holder, also optional. And last but not least, your wrap. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I put my hair up when I want to look cute, but also when I just don't feel like detangling. So can you guess which one it is today? Quick texture shot. It is definitely time to wash and detangle, but this is not a wash day video, so we gonna make it work. So first up, refresh the curls. A little bit of spritz. I got a lot of hair, so this might take a minute. You can do this with or without the ponytail holder. Get it behind your ears, and then once it's in front of all the hair, just push it up. This is also how I do a lazy high puff. Or not really a lazy high puff, but a looser high puff. You don't need to be too tight because the head wrap is gonna do all the heavy lifting for you. Usually when I'm doing my head wraps, I just put my head forward, push all the hair like this, and then I just put the wrapper on and tie it. But for the purpose of this little tutorial, I will put this on so I can, make it simpler and let you guys see better what I'm doing. So you get your headscarf. Life hack, you also can just go to your local fabric store and get a yard of fabric in any color, texture, whatever that you want, and it's so much cheaper. So yeah, that's an alternative if you can't find scarves that you like, or you want to add to your collection but you're kind of low on funds. You're welcome. A pretty long one, as you can see. I'm going to fold it in half. Let me just turn to the side real quick so you can see what I'm doing. And tilt your head, and you're gonna line it up to the back of your neck here if you want it to cover, or if you just want it to wrap here, you can hang it lower. I'm gonna do it up here first. Then you just grab your 2 pieces that are hanging, and I kind of adjust them to make sure they're like semi-even at the bottom. So you have the same amount of fabric on both sides. Grab your sides, and you're just going across. I'll do it again from the side. See, you look kind of like this. Now, clearly this is way too low. What you can do is make sure your bangs are kind of pulled up, and then you're going to push it back a little bit. So I like to have a little bit of my hairline poking out there, so I do that. And you're just gonna tighten it as much as you want. You can hang it loose, whatever. And then once it is wrapped, wrap it around the back. And I like to tie in the back. And again, tighten as much as you want. Now that it is tied, you got these 2 little pieces hanging. And you're just gonna take these and you're gonna twist them. Twist them one at a time, or if you're a pro, you could twist both. And you're just gonna tuck them in the front. This is what I usually do, one at a time, because I'm not exactly a pro. You're just gonna tuck them in underneath of the hair again. So that way the hair will hide the bang part, and you're just gonna do the same. I twist them so they look prettier, but you don't have to twist them, you can just tuck them. Once they're tucked in, then you just adjust. So I usually like to pull the hair kind of forward so it looks like it's like spilling out in the front. And then you can go in the back and like pull this down if you want it lower. And you just kind of adjust it how you want, depending on how much hair you have. Get back up in there. I usually just tuck them in because my hair usually holds all day no matter what I'm doing. But if you want more reassurance that they won't like fall down like it just did, just use like a bobby pin and like hold it in place. Or even a ponytail holder you could stretch over it and that'll hold. Put in some hoops and voila. So full disclosure, I'm not a pro, as you could see, and as I said before. So it's really hard for me to make them look exactly the same every time I do my head wrap, but this is just one of the versions that I do. So yeah, that's the quick, lazy version. So if I wanted to look a little bit different like I did in my Dolores cosplay, I will show you guys that now. I really hope that transition worked. This is my Dolores cosplay, you probably saw. And of course, like I said before, I will put all of the details for this outfit in the description box below for those of you who want to purchase one. But here is the red scarf. Let me stop playing around and finish this. This is supposed to be like a 3-minute clip, and I know all of y'all are looking at the time stamp right now and going, that ain't 3 minutes. So whatever minutes this video is at, I'm gonna try to finish this real quick. But yeah, once again, fold it in half, wrap it around my head, grab both pieces, twist them, go around the back, in a knot, come in the front, pull out your bangs, twist really neatly, and tuck it in, tuck it in. Do the same on the other side. If it ends up being too short, just tuck it into the strap here. Take your last little piece that's coming around the back, as you can see, and just fold it down to kind of display the hair a little bit. And again, this is up to you. Fold it to your taste until you think it looks similar, and boom, Dolores. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will have a lot more entertaining and fun videos coming your way now that I'm back to posting on this channel. I'll also be posting more of the videos that you guys requested on Instagram. And if you're not following my Instagram, go check it out here. If you're not following me on TikTok, go check it out here. If you're not following me on Twitter, go check it out here. And if you're not following me on, that's about it. Y'all know how to use the internet. Like, subscribe, comment below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Feels good to be back. Make this go viral, guys.